So hello guys, from now onwards I will just post the projects. So basically in this video we will see about all the commands which are useful in making a 2D floor plan of a house, and also I will show you about the layering and hatching options to make your drawing look more pleasing. So without wasting time, I'm just start drawing. I will just go to the line command from here and I will make a plot of some dimensions, just taking a line and make this ortho on, and now I will make a plot of 50 feet into 50 feet. This way, just create a square of 50 feet into 50 feet. Okay, now just close this. In this way I have created my plot size. Okay, this is my boundary line for my plan. Now we will decide our built up area. Actually the plot area is the total area of my plot, whereas built up area is the area at which I am building my house. Okay, so don't get confused. So this is my plot area. Now suppose if I want a porch of 7 feet from the front and 5 feet space from the back and the right side of my house, so what I have to do is I will just make the line of 7 feet from this front. So I'll just select the line, select it and go to the front and make us a line of 7 feet from this side. 7 feet, enter. Okay, and now I will escape and leave the command, and now I will go to this upper right corner so as to give the porch offset of 5 feet from the back side and from the right side of my plot. In this way give 5 feet, same 5 feet from this side, and just close this. Okay, now I will go to polylines, peel, enter from this point. Now you can see it's having some thickness. Its width, I have to change its width to 0. So now I will be able to make this simple line. So I will make a line of 38 feet from that point. Okay, now remember we are making the built up area. Now we are deciding our built up area. So make a line of 38 feet, and from this side I will make a line of 35 feet. Okay, so as to give the parking space from the left side of my plot size, so that I can easily park 2 of my SUV cars. Okay, just 38 feet again, and just close this in this way. Now I'll delete these reference lines, just delete them. Okay, now you can see my built up area and my plot size is here. So now what I have to do is I will just make the exterior walls for my plot size. Generally the thickness of the exterior walls of the house is taken as 9 inches, and also that of interior or partition walls we take the thickness as 4.5 inches. Okay, so I will just use an offset command and give an offset to all these exterior walls, and the offset distance I am choosing here is of 9 inches. Actually these are the exterior walls. So now I will give the offset to this built up area also. In this way offset them inside. Actually we have to make our house inside the given plot size. Okay, so you have to give an offset inside the area. Now I will, because I want a bedroom here, so I will make a bedroom here. So first of all I will just delete this again, and now I will decide the area of my rooms. I will go to L, enter, and now I will make a room of 15 feet into 14 feet. Okay, this will be my master bedroom. Just close this. Okay, and now I will make a same room of same size as my drawing room or the guest room to attend my guests. Okay, this way of same size, 15 feet into 14 feet. Now in this corner I will make one more bedroom, and this left corner same size. 14 feet in this way, and just close this. And make a room of same size. So you can see in this way I have created 3 rooms of the same sizes, that is 15 feet into 14 feet, in which 2 of them are the bedrooms and this one is my drawing room. Okay, so now I will make a kitchen in this northeast corner and make the kitchen. So the dimensions for I am taking for the kitchen are 10 feet into 9 feet. So I will give the dimensions this way, and now just close this. Okay, so now in the vicinity of my kitchen I will give the staircase to go to the first floor level. Okay, just give the line of 7 feet from this side, and from this side I will give 8 feet 11 inches. Okay, and then just close it in the similar way, give 8 feet 11 inches and just close it in this way. Okay, so now I have created my staircase area also. So in this way you can create a line plan of your AutoCAD drawing. Okay, now I will just go to the exterior walls. I having these 2 main entries. I want these entries somewhat from inside, so I will give an offset of 2 feet 5 inches to both these entries. Just use the offset command to give an offset. Offset this. Okay, and just delete the extra lines by using the trim command. Just go to trim, type trim with your keyboard and press enter to start the command. And now I will just delete the single lines and trim the extra lines. Just delete them. Okay, so in this way we can create a simple line diagram of our floor plan in AutoCAD. Okay, so now I will show you how you can make the exterior and the interior walls of your house. For that I will again go to offset. So before that I am giving the attached toilets to my house, so I am giving the toilets of dimensions 3 feet 5 inches and 6 feet from this side. Just close this, and the same size of toilet I am giving to my this bedroom also. Just go to the line command and make the toilet of 6 feet into 3 feet 5 inches, and just join this in this way. Okay, so now it's turn for the exterior and the partition walls of my house. Okay, so I will just go to the offset command. These are my exterior walls of my house. Okay, so I will go to offset command, press O enter with your keyboard, and now give the offset value. Offset value as 9 inches, as these are my exterior walls. Just give an offset inside for all the walls. You can see in this way you can give an offset. Now I want the partition walls to get offset, so I will just go to offset command again, and now I will specify the offset distance as 4.5 inches. Just go to the lines and give the distance of 4.5 inches. Press enter. So now I will select each and every line this way. So in this way I will create all the inner lines, the partition walls, to convert them to the of thickness 4.5 inches. Okay, this wall also. Okay, so in this way we have created all the walls of our house, so we can make them clear by using the trim command. I will just go there and trim these extended ends so as to make our wall look more clear, and just erase them. Okay, so, if you want to use this trim command, you have to type tr double enter with your keyboard so as to enter a command. Okay, just delete this all. So in this way I have created all the walls of my house. Okay, now I will make the stairs. Okay, so for the quarter landing I will give the offset of 2 feet 5 inches. Just go to offset, or just simply go to line and make a line of 2 feet 5 inches in this direction. Just press enter, and now I will make 2 horizontal lines to perfectly create my quarter landing. I'll just select these lines, and now I will give an offset for my treader, that is of 10 inches. I am using the tread dimensions as 10 inches, so just press 10 inches with my keyboard and give an offset in this way to completely make my stairs. Okay, now I will go to line command. Firstly I will join this by extending this line. Okay, now I will delete this reference line. Now I will go to line command to make the stairs. Just I will enter again with your keyboard, and now give a line of 3 feet. Okay, this will be the width of our stairs. So for the same I will make 3 feet for the landing also, and now I will trim all these lines in between my stairs, just erase them. So in this way you have seen I have created my staircase also. And I will make a storeroom here of 6 feet into 6 feet area. Just in front of my main gate. Okay, and again for this I am giving the walls of 4.5 inches. Just offset inside, and with the use of trim command I will trim them. So now I will show you how you can create the door openings and how to add the window sections to your rooms, how to add the ventilation to the toilets. Okay, so I will just take line command and go to this corner of my room and give a line of 3 feet 5 inches this side. Connect this and give a line of 3 feet. Actually the general width for the doors we take as 3 feet. Okay, so I will delete this reference line and just trim these extra lines so as to make an opening here. Just delete this. So you can see my door opening is created here. So for all the main rooms, kitchens also I will use this same door size. So I will just copy this door size at all the positioning of my doors at all the rooms. So I will just copy this at this location. Similarly, I will make this ortho off so as to copy it anywhere in my drawing. So just copy it here also, copy it in the kitchen also, and also for the back gate of my house. Actually this, now at this entry also, and I will trim these to make an opening here, trim them. Generally for the toilets and bathrooms we use the door sizes of 2.5 feet, means 2 feet 6 inches. Okay, so now I will create opening like this here also, and now we will give the door to this entry also. Okay, so I'm giving a door of size 2 feet 6 inches here. Okay, actually due to this shortage of space I am giving the door size as 2 feet 5 inches. Okay, and now similarly I will give the door sizes of the same dimensions for my attached toilets, that is of 2 feet 6 inches. Same make the openings here for my toilets also. So you can see in this way I have created the door openings for my house. So now it's done for the windows. I'm using the big windows here of 5 feet and the height as 4 feet. So now I will just make the windows. I will go to this room and go to the midpoint of this line and make a line of 2 feet 5 inches in this way. Just join this with this wall and again make a line of 5 feet and again join this. Make sure you are making the windows in the similar way I am making, so as to change the layer properties of this window. Okay, so you have to create all these lines. You can also make a block for them to create a block for the window. Okay, now I want to copy these same size of window in each rooms. So I will just copy this. I just select it and copy it aside so as to easily copy it anywhere in my drawing. So I will just copy it here, and now I will just select this and copy it by taking the midpoint as the reference point. Just click on this midpoint I'll go to the midpoint of this wall and place it at that midpoint. Okay, and similarly I will go to the midpoint of this wall also. So similarly I will copy these windows at my dining room also, and also for my kitchen. Okay, now just rotate this to copy it for my horizontal walls. Okay, you can see these are my horizontal walls. So if I want to copy it, I will use the command of rotate so as to rotate it. I will just select it and now go to the rotate command and rotate it at the angle of 90 degree. And now I will take this midpoint as the reference point and copy this at the midpoint of this wall. Similarly I will copy this window on this wall also, so as to give a ventilation for my drawing room also. I will just click on this wall. And just copy it here for this wall also. Okay, and similarly in this way you have to copy all the walls for all the windows for our rooms. Okay, so you can see in this way you can create all the door openings. You can make the walls of a different thickness, all the interior exterior walls in this way. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video, in which we will see about the different layering options to add the CAD blocks, different parts of our drawing. Thank you so much.